The algorithm list is to help keep all your algorithms organized and in one place. Each algorithm shown is only a suggestion, and you can click the edit button here to change to a different algorithm. The image will also rotate to show how you should hold it. If you use an algorithm that's not one of these, you can also just input it down here. To show that you're working on an algorithm, you can click on the picture to make it yellow. And when you finish a certain algorithm, you can click on it again to make it green. If you head over to the settings, you can push all of the yellow cases to the top and the green cases to the bottom, which can help you keep things organized. The algorithm trainer is where you can practice these algorithms to prepare for real solves. Just follow the scrambles to get one of the cases and then start and stop the timer with the spacebar. Your stats will be recorded on the side, and you can click on any case to see what the scramble and algorithm was. If you forget an algorithm, don't waste time going back. All you have to do is press the right arrow key and it will show you how you should hold the case as well as the first move. If you want to reveal more of the algorithm, just keep pressing right on the arrow key. And you can find all the keyboard shortcuts right here. By default, you'll be training the whole algorithm set, but I usually like to go by groups, so I only pick certain groups of algorithms at once because I tend to learn by groups. Sometimes I also like to train by status, so only the ones I am learning and the ones I've finished, or maybe just the ones I'm working on right now. Once you've used the trainer, your best and average times for each of the cases will show up here. Lastly, there is the trash. Putting a case in the trash removes it from your algorithm list. So if you don't plan on learning a certain case for whatever reason, then it will no longer show up in the table of algorithms. For example, if you go to the COLL algorithm set, by default there are already cases in the trash, and that is the anti-soon set as well as the soon set, because these are not worth learning for COLL, so it's not worth having them on your algorithm sheet. Right now, the trainer looks and works best on desktop. If you have a smartphone, you can start and stop the timer using touch, but there may be other features missing. If you have any suggestions or find an error, feel free to contact me here. Happy training!